Ano ba ha?
Oh, kuya.
Lamig.
Narang puli kiniki di mabana bagi advertisement.
Balay sila penjenjar ya lagi. Papinjit kerpang kini. Like link bawah ke shillongadvertisement.com. Pinyo buat kijing pedna. Bat kiberta kishula. Link bawah ke shillongadvertisement.com.
Oh, tama. Bilay sibon.
Uba lakaman remboi menteri badikmi yakatran kapuli kaputi ke Sorkar Jylla ulong bakalong ke basyam jing bansu thiet ka ya ki bos bankit khynnah skul ladai ki jaka penyang pat kimbyang kani ka jubab menteri kalawan halor ke jingbam ai jing pentep na ki bor penya skul halor ki jing terwa ke Sorkar banbu da ki bos kit khynnah skul hanong ba Shillong banlai na ka jingtang kali.
The study on that is being done, whether it is feasible or not, as what I have said earlier also, due to the so many constraints which happen in the city. So as of now, let's see what the report come, and then after that, the Honorable Chief Minister will take a concrete decision how to do and how to go about it. We didn't want them just to buy the bus where there is no place to park, and we become like just other, just waste of the public money. Till now, we have not, the report has not come. So after we get the report, we'll know all the data, and based on the data, then we'll take this forward, this school bus which we need. But as I said, because due to many constraints in Shillong, so whether it is possible or not, or by keep applying this school bus, it will bring more traffic jam. So the main purpose is to ease the traffic congestion and also to help the commuter in commuting from one part of the city to another part of the city. Shillong have its different challenges. Number one, so now if I tell that all the schools, all the students of say Loroto, Saint Denis, Saint Mary's, Saint Margaret, and Presbyterian School, and all other school Limekra should come by school bus. Then one school, say Saint Denis, they have thousands of students. How many buses we need? And those buses, after dropping the student, where they will park? And from that parking space which we provide, then they will come, how much time they will take, and where they will park for the student for embark or disembark. So these are the steps which we have to see, because if you see Saint Denis, of course they have space for 2, 3, 4 buses, but until and unless you keep in that mini stadium, there is no space. And if you see Saint Mary's, where is the space? 2, 3 buses they may have, you may get space, but where is the space? So that is the constraint. So now let's hope that that study will be there. The in-depth study will be there so that we could see whether we could overcome the challenge or not, this challenge or not.
Daga bapen pau bak Sorkar Jylla kan haban pejnya baharu nak benta kan New Shillong khnang bak jingdang kali kan numlong kumbalong menta hakanong ba Shillong.
This the purpose of the government to shift this administrative secretariat to the New Shillong as and when it is shifted is to ease the burden of this, and new township will come up there, will cater to the need, to the future expansion of Shillong, because Shillong is not only for today, it will expand more. But having said that, by shifting this, then it will develop that new township. But what the government should think now is that to think beforehand, so that in that new Shillong or new township, or in as the case may be, proper plan should be there so that the problem which Shillong face today will not face in the future.